Hey, you have reached Abdullah Zahid Enterprise Dubai. How can I help you today?
Hi, can you tell me about your services?
Sure thing. At Abdullah Zahid Enterprise Dubai, we specialize in delivering fast and effective solutions tailored to our clients' needs.
Can you tell me maybe a slot for day after tomorrow, that is Thursday?
Sure thing. For Thursday, April 17th, we have slots available at 1 p.m., 3 p.m., and 5 p.m. Do any of these times work for you?
Yes, Thursday, 3 p.m. Just book it for me.
Please wait a moment while I book your meeting. Your appointment is all set for Thursday, April 17th at 3 p.m. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly.
There you go, guys. Appointment confirmation of Thursday. You remember? I said the appointment bot to book the appointment for the Thursday, April 17th and 3 p.m. And it has even given me the complete AI cap call, like recap what happened. Right, guys, so here's the amazing news that the voice AI appointment booking has been developed within the Gohighlevel. Everybody was anticipating it, wanting it, and there it is. And I'm going to demonstrate to you in this video uh, live with by the call agent how does it actually does book the appointment, and even through the calendar, like it drops the email right after the appointment is booked. Super amazing, right? So first of all, what you'll need to do, just go to the settings, like, because right now it is in the labs feature, so you will have to enable it, right? So you just go to the labs, and if you scroll it down, there you go, voice AI custom action, but we want the booking, right? Appointment booking for the voice AI. So I have already enabled it. You guys just need to enable it, and live in 29 days. It will behave as once it gets live, it will behave as I'll just show you in this video. Super amazing, right? So how I have set this appointment voice AI appointment booking bot. Uh, it's super easy. Basically, I mean, just created a bot, and within there, and I have just given them some special code. Like even if you just put your appointment booking bot, that's it. Like it will work for you. It will work for anyone. But here I have given an special this thing which is like even used for some of the call center, like a standard, without even giving the special instructions like about the specific to business. But with the voice AI, like this is going to work smartly. Now, how do you get this? I'm going to give it to you completely free within my AI crash course. Like you can get it completely free. All you have to do is just type in the browser abdullahzahid.com/AI, and this course is completely free. Let me tell you guys, like, here it is. As you can see, AI employee cost calculators sheet is also free, right? And like this script is also available within the voice AI booking appointment. You can just copy and paste it for yourself. It will be super amazing. Now here is the additional thing regarding the appointment booking. Let me just within the agent goals, if you scroll it down, here you go. Here is the appointment booking. So you just have to click on the appointment booking and choose the calendar via which the appointment has to be booked. Now, of course, like the voice AI is going to give them the option, right? That how many dates it is available. So you can choose like either one date itself, or like 3 days, or appointment slots. How many, let's say like you have a 100 slots available, but how many slots should it mention? For example, 1 a.m., 1 p.m., 3 p.m., 5 p.m., something like this, because it is going to give the option so that it becomes easier for them. And even like a number of hours of gap. So these are irrelevant thing, but anyways, like I mean, not that important thing, but you can choose 1, 2, 3, whatever. And the most important thing is the calendar on which you want the appointment to be booked. And that's it. Your voice AI agent is ready. Now, before, I mean, here, guys, as you already saw that my AI employee is available, right? 100% free, and there you will get this script as well, like the crash course, abdullahzahid.com/AI. But before I proceed to just demonstrate how this voice AI, or like we'll just make a call, let me just quickly tell you guys, like here I will be offering to you guys like 127 snapshots. These two things are locked, and one-to-one personal onboarding of your AI employee client the moment that you land up. Like I will create a personal WhatsApp group between you, me, and my client. All we are asking is just please help us. Like if you got the value out of this video, if you believe like these free courses help, as well as this one-to-one personal onboarding, personal help, as well as 127 snapshot, all these things that you're going to get, just put our code within the AI employee as AI bonuses. Now, where do you put? Let me just show you. You just go to the agency view, right? Click on the settings and click on AI employee and click on manage offers. And here you just put AIBONUSES, AI bonuses, and just click on apply. See, it would not make any difference to amount of cost that you're paying or whatever is activated, but it is going to help us be on the leaderboard, and it is going to help us create contents and give away the best possible things that we can give to all our audience. So I would be really thankful, and I would be there like within the WhatsApp group, like we will be there to help you with all your journey with your AI employee, as well as like of course the free course and the free onboarding and everything, and 127 snapshot. So now let us jump onto, as you can see, our AI agent is ready. The script is available within the respective membership. Now your agent will also be ready. Let us try to do the booking. So I'll just open the respective AI agent, and here I put the number. Just enter the number. Let us try to do the call. So there I received the call. Let me just pick it up. Hey.
Hey, you have reached Abdullah Zahid Enterprise Dubai. How can I help you today?
Hi. Can you tell me about your services?
Sure thing. At Abdullah Zahid Enterprise Dubai, we specialize in delivering fast and effective solutions tailored to our clients' needs. Our services are designed to improve your situation efficiently and effectively, backed by excellent reviews from thousands of happy clients. Is there something specific you're interested in?
Okay, this is nice. Yeah, I was interested in one-to-one service that is being offered. So can you book it for me?
Absolutely. I can help you with that. Let's get started by confirming your email address. I see we have your email as ishratfordream11@gmail.com. Is that correct?
Yes, Ishrat for dream11@gmail.com.
Got it? Just to confirm, your email is greenoneone@gmail.com. Is that correct?
Okay, I'll just repeat. ISHRATFORDREAM11@gmail.com.
Thank you for confirming. So your email is ishratfordream11@gmail.com. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct, yeah.
Great. Your email is all set. Now let's find a time for your one-on-one service. How about Tuesday, April 15th at either 6:30 p.m., 7 p.m., or 7:30 p.m.? Do any of these work for you?
All right, so basically you're just telling me right now itself. Which time zone is it?
The times I mentioned are in the Asia Kolkata time zone. Does that work for you, or do you need a different time zone?
Can you tell me maybe a slot for day after tomorrow, that is Thursday?
Sure thing. For Thursday, April 17th, we have slots available at 1 p.m., 3 p.m., and 5 p.m. Do any of these times work for you?
Yes, Thursday 3 p.m. Just book it for me.
Please wait a moment while I book your meeting. Your appointment is all set for Thursday, April 17th at 3 p.m. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly. Anything else I can help you with?
Wow, that was quick. No, I think that should be enough. Thanks a lot, yeah?
You're welcome. I'm glad I could help. If you need anything else, just give us a shout. Have a great day.
Have a great day. Thank you. So there we go, guys. Like, amazing, right? Super amazing call. It just booked. Now let us see whether it actually booked. So I'm just going to open my email to see, because I have assigned one of the staff, like one of my email, as well as the client's email. The client was pretending to be Shrath for Dream11, one more email address I've got. So I'll just open my email and the other email. There you go, guys. Appointment confirmation of Thursday. You remember I said the appointment bot to book the appointment for the Thursday. April 17th and 3 p.m. And it has even given me the complete AI cap call, like recap what happened, right? Call transcript. AI agent said this, I said this, right? This guy, I mean, whatever, the entire thing. And then I gave the Ishrat from for Dream 11, my email address. Now, as a, like, let's say the email address that is given, let us try to see whether it is actually booked with that email. Like the customer also gets the notification. There you go, guys. April 17th, appointment book, Abdullah Zahid Enterprise, right? So the customer who has just made a call to the AI employee is going to send the email of the appointment confirmation, which it just did. So entire appointment booking is automated and not just random appointment booking, like it is an intelligent to and fro call that it is doing. Super amazing, guys, right? As well as you will get the script as I just told you, and get started with Voice AI. This is going to be Voice AI appointment booking. This is going to be game changer. People would want to implement. You want to be winning the race, and I want you, I mean, I want to be as much helpful to you guys as possible. Like once we'll create the WhatsApp group, and we are going to really do the respective thing, like as we just promised. The entire complete onboarding of your first client will be on us, as well as 127 snapshots and everything. As I just told, requested you guys, just put AI bonuses code under the agency settings and click on AI employee and manage offer. Just put AI BONUS. I wish you guys all the best. And not just that, like I will even be having anything that comes up like with related with AI, because we are very much into this, trying to get all the materials, all the new snapshot, 127 snapshot that you're going to get, the AI agency snapshot, the Voice AI that sells itself snapshot, like you name it, any kind of a snapshot. But even the future ones, we are going to give it to you, because you will be our special people, because you have entered our code AI bonuses. I wish you guys all the best. Thank you. My name is Abdullah Zahid, founder and CEO of Abdullah Zahid Enterprise. I have been associated with Gohighlevel from the past 4 years. As an independent affiliate, I've done interviews of the CEO, Sean Clark, the co-founder, Varun Varavan, super amazing people. It is available on my YouTube channel right now, talking about the AI employee, one of the most disruptive revolution that they have built, the AI employee, especially with the coming AI wave. Now, what I've realized is that the people who are going to be using the AI employee have certain hiccups with them. That number one, like how do I understand this AI employee? Probably the ins and outs of individual functionalities and the setup. Then even if I land the client, how will I onboard the client? First, I'll need to learn the functionality. And then how do I scale this to the new height? So we have crafted this super amazing free bonuses for you. Number one, the AI employee course that we are working on, you're going to get it, which will just easen up the process. How do you understand AI employee? The next is one-to-one personal onboarding of your first AI employee client that you land up. So all you have to focus on is get the client, not how do you onboard it. We are going to assign this high-level expert who will do the one-to-one personal onboarding for you. The third one is the white-labeled AI employee video, where you just plug in and all your sub accounts will automatically be able to use and onboard the AI employee. Isn't that amazing? Now, how do you get it? It will be very easy and it won't cost you anything. All you have to do is just go to the AI employee and put our referral code AI bonuses, AIBONUSES. How do you get it? Like, where do you put it? Go to the settings, click on AI employee, click on manage offers, and just put in the bonus within the FP reference field, AIBONUSES, AI bonuses, and click apply. Now, does that mean you'll be charged because now you have put the referral code? No, it doesn't mean anything. Like, you would not be charged at all. Whenever you'll be using the AI employee in the future, then you will be charged, your client will be charged in the future. That means anytime in the coming time, and that too, like, you will be making the profit, because you'll be only charged when the client activates. And when the client activates, of course, they will be overcharged. They will be charged much more, and the difference will be your profit. So in the future, when you're actually using, then you'll be charged. So this referral code that you put, you would not be charged, and you will be eligible to get the bonuses. So I wish you guys all the best. Thanks a lot for watching it, and bye-bye.